guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Coop, the Wonder Why Farmer here at Wonder Why Farm and Homestead. And today's topic is going to be an update on the potato bed. Let's go take a look. So this, guys, is the potato bed that I used the rabbit manure and horse composted manure in. And I planted potatoes in here, and they were doing pretty good. And if you didn't see the video that I posted, I'll put the link to that up there too. I showed where they were doing really well. Well, we got a couple frosts here, which that didn't bother me so badly because I've had potatoes before they got frosted, and they've always done fine. But apparently last night, I don't know if you can see, but along here, it's all been dug up, and you can actually see there's a potato out of the ground over there. And they only have a few plants left that haven't been either dug completely out or destroyed. So I believe that I have a coon or possum or possibly skunk problem. Skunk is probably on the back side simply because I haven't smelled one out here and it's right behind the house. However, I believe I have a predator of some sort that is preying on probably the grubs and stuff and worms and whatnot in the ground here. So this is the potato bed about 1 week after the first part of this video. And as you can see, the potatoes have really bounced back. I replanted the ones that were out of the ground. I didn't add any potatoes to this bed. As you can see right here is one that something else has come along and took out. So I'm just going to plant that back in there because it still has a good top on it. But they really came back. I was really surprised. The frost, I knew the frost wouldn't hurt them too badly. I've had potatoes before that were frosted, but it really looked like the animals had really destroyed this bed, but they were able to bounce back. So if you've got this kind of problem, just give it a little bit of time and good chance it'll take care of itself. So that's a real quick update on the potato bed, guys. I hope you got something out of that. I'm growing the potatoes in rabbit compost. Not rabbit compost, rabbit manure straight up, and composted horse manure. So you can see the progress on those. If you like this video, go down and smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and until I see you guys on the next video, I want to hope you're staying happy, safe, and healthy, and God bless.